What up? My name is Philip Martin. I've closed over $1 million for myself and my clients. And today I want to talk to you about emotions in business and how they're the absolute enemy of your productivity and your output, okay? Because all human decisions are driven by emotion. There's a study on that where they removed the emotional part of somebody's brain back in like the 60s or 80s whenever they did lobotomies or whatever it was. And they found that the people that didn't have an emotional center in their brain, they literally could not make decisions. They could not make decisions. So before we just X out emotions and pretend that we're going to be the Herculean entrepreneurs and we're just going to be absolutely immune to our emotions, let there be no confusion. That's never going to happen. So what is going to happen is you're going to gain a self-awareness of your emotions and being able to actually be aware of them when they come up and then how to handle them and keep it smooth, right? I have a saying where basically I just always want to be at about a 7.5, about an 8. If I could just be at about an emotional 8 every day, that'd be great. Even a 7, maybe even a 7 would be better, where you don't want to get too high, you don't want to get too low on your own emotions, and everything's about, you're just good, dude. You're good. You're not great, you're not sad, you're good. That's what you really want. And that's what I would encourage everybody to go for in entrepreneurship, and that's why entrepreneurship is important in emotions are that's why emotions are important in entrepreneurship.